Okay, so this is the behind the story. We made the 23 unit cosmetic restorations from these before we increased the vertical dimensions from the lack of room. After we're going to extract the teeth and then make the temporary same thing, and then we're going to make another acrylic partial. 5 to 12 in here. It's a really good teeth. I think number 8 and 9 too long. Make shorter. It's a good alignment, so need at least 6/10 millimeter. I don't like the black triangle, I see that. So if they don't like it, I have to break the wall. Maybe more deeper. Like this. So then I can change the shape and contour. See, it's very good. See that much. If teeth is too dark, doctor have to pay more. This is good. Take it out. About the reduction guide compared to this. Okay, just a little bit. We're going to make the reduction guide for this one already tucked in. You see the crooked. Just a little facial. Finding more here. And the lateral. Already short. Just facial. Reduce it this much. Open if we want. Now inside your hardly line, just make flat. Okay. Now lateral is okay. First chop. Now canine. Canine is really good teeth right now. It's very good teeth. So just a little tiny bit. I would say 5/10 millimeter. A little more deeper always. Here's a vocal corridor. It's not bad. Okay, I want to make the margin line here. Okay, so almost canine is good. Now premolar, just cut the incision edge. So I put the margin line here. Remember, its color is really bad, then they have to pay more because I cannot hide it. You see? So I can make the black. I can make the vocal corridor is white. So now I'm going to trim to the other side too, same as the other one. Okay, so now finish the 28 unit trim on plan wax up. So first we set up the lower anterior 6. From here is more developed, the decent crown. And then make the curve of Spee and Wilson the same size. That one's Wilson's, make the great anatomy. Okay. And then uppers follow the lower, the occlusion. And improve this. Okay. Here. Now doctor can make this good. 28 unit restoration. Kind of a little tough when I move to midline. It's tough, but I got good centric bite. Okay, so this is the behind the story. We made a 23 unit cosmetic restorations from these before. You saw my previous video, which is we increased the vertical dimensions from the lack of room for the size of the tools, but tooth by tooth. So we increased the vertical dimensions. And then doctors who made this final temporization in the patient's mouth, just like that. So doctor sent us this nice scanner, and then we printed with the Envision 1 tag. And then before we do this, we testing about this so many different opacity got from the BND Dental in Utah. So that is our effort. And this is the individual the die who matching it, and this one is the spinal, but the doctor will going to extract the teeth and then make the temporary same thing, or they can make the temporary after extract it and then they scanning again, and then we're going to make the another acrylic partial, because doctor have to do relying on the knees. So whenever they pulled out the teeth, it will be a humongous, huge open underneath. So that amount is we do not know much exactly. So before I send it out, so we make sure the OM3 kind of, but it's multi-layer, 1M1 color, but it's not look like regular dental tools. And crown. So we have to put into, this is the video, we can make this more reference, then we can fabricate it. That's great. Prudence B and Wilson's, and the 3-unit bridge in both top and bottom. Then we finish the finals like this. This one will be another is great. The full mouth restorations pieces. Right? So from here to make this more better, contour and contact and shape and the color especially, make more lifelike restorations. The great translucency. It will be finer, sent to Texas. So if we can make another video for how to make temporary from here after doctor cemented the great angle contour. Okay, so after finish the acrylic partial doctor extracted, and then they can reline here to make the future implant. But we have to put some nice, it's aesthetic, slightly brighter than here will be, because here is cosmetic, we just fabricated everything, and then now give them temporary. And also Dr. Cement is lower, which is the awesome. Okay, so now this is the finals, and then before we're waiting for the futures implant here. Another says flipper here, we send it out too. Nice fit though. Like this. Thanks for watching.